Alright, language explorers. So let's look at this Saturday's phrasal verb. So clean up. Clean up. Yeah. Clean up. He is cleaning up after them. See, he's cleaning up after them, making it clean. Yeah. I will need to clean up after cooking. Yeah. They want me to clean up now. They want me to clean up now. Clean things. Yeah. Make something fresh and presentable. Something you can be proud to present to people. Making it clean. Yeah. How can we clean it up? I have to clean up the kitchen. I have to clean up the kitchen. It needs cleaning. Yeah. Why don't they just clean up now? Why? Why not? I'm not sure how to clean up. I think we need more spray, more cleaner. Yeah, I'm not so sure. Yeah. I cleaned up after them. Yeah, they made such a mess that I had to clean up after them. Yeah. Why am I always cleaning up after them? Why am I always cleaning up after them? Why? Yeah, why? How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So, I'm cleaning up now. You see, I'm cleaning up now. After the lesson, I have a lot of cleaning up to do. Yeah, I need to clean the kitchen and the floors. There is a lot of things that need cleaning up. Yes, clean up here. I will clean up here and there. Clean up here and over there. Clean up here, clean up there. Very important. How cool is that? After the party, we will need to clean up. Yes. Yeah. That is the problem with hosting parties. You need to clean up. You will be the one to clean up after. Yeah, you should clean up. Yeah, clean up. Make things tidy. Yeah, I need to clean up after my party. I need to clean up after my party. Yeah, up my party. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, I'm the one that has to do it. How cool is that? Yeah, so clean up. Like this guy here, he is cleaning up. He is cleaning up the street. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use clean up in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching for English with Adrian on YouTube. Yeah, YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. As well as by searching my name, Adrian Nanchev, on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.